Hello students, I am Sarvan Kumar, and in this video I am going to solve the remaining two questions. Okay, the first two questions is already solved in the previous video. Okay, so in the third question it is asked that find the value of k such that the polynomial x square minus k plus 6 into x plus 2 into 2k minus 1 has sum of zeros equal to half of their product. Means the polynomial is this and given sum of zeros equals to half of their product. So if alpha and beta it's two zeros, then sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals to half of product, that is half of alpha beta. Now on comparing px, this px with ax square plus bx plus c, we will get a equals to 1, b equals to minus k plus 6 and c equals to 2 into 2k minus 1. Now alpha plus b. Okay, let's suppose this is equation 1. Now alpha plus b, we know this is minus b by a, so it will be minus of minus k plus 6 by 1. So simply minus minus will turn out plus, so it will be k plus 6. Now alpha into b is c by a and the value of c is 2 into 2k minus 1 divided by 1. So the product of alpha zeros will be 2 into 2k minus 1. Now putting these values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in equation 1. So what we will get? We will get k plus 6 is equals to half of 2 into 2k minus 1. Okay, clearly 2 and 2 will cancel out. So you will get k plus 6 equals to 2k minus 1. After transposition you will get 6 plus 1 equals to 2k minus k. Okay, k को मैंने यहाँ ट्रांसपोज किया तो माइनस k, 1 को मैंने यहाँ ट्रांसपोज किया तो प्लस 1. So you will have 7 equals to k. So the value of k is 7. Okay, now in the fourth question it is said find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial this and verify the relationship between its zeros and coefficients. So the equation is polynomial is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Polynomial is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. We need to find its zero, okay, and then verify the relationship. Okay, so first we'll find the zeros with the help of midterm splitting method. So px equals to, let this px is equals to 0. ठीक है, हमने इसको 0 के इक्वल इसलिए रखा क्योंकि हम इसके 0 को कैलकुलेट करने वाले हैं. सो द 2 into 1. ओके, सो मिड टर्म माइनस 3x को हम स्प्लिट करेंगे. इट कैन बी रिटन एज माइनस 2x माइनस 1. ओके, प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 0. वाई? बिकॉज द सम ऑफ दीज मिडल टर्म्स विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस 3x एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट विल बी प्लस 2x square. That is the product of 2x square and 1. Okay, so in the first two terms the common are 2 and x. So on taking 2x common, here we will left with 1 and minus 1, and on taking minus 1 here common, okay, we will get this. Now on taking x minus 1 common, we will have the expression x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 equals to 0. So which implies on putting this equals to 0 you will get x equals to 1. Okay, and on putting this equals to 0 you will get x equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so these are two zeros of this polynomial. Okay, so let's say alpha equals to 1 and beta equals to 1 by 2. Okay, these are the two zeros of this polynomial. Okay, now what will be alpha plus beta? This will be 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, and the product of zeros will be 1 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 1 by 2. So the sum of zeros is 3 by 2 and product of zeros is 1 by 2. Now for comparison, okay, what we will do, first we compare px with ax square plus bx plus c. So what we will have, we will have a will be equal to 2, b will be equal to minus 3 and c will be equal to plus 1. Now we all know alpha plus beta, this is what, minus b by a. Okay, this is the, we need to verify this. So we calculated this as 3 by 2. Let's check minus b by a is equals to 3 by 2 or not. So this will be minus, what is the value of b? It is minus 3. What is the value of a? It is 2. So this will be 3 by 2. So this relationship is verified. Now the product alpha beta, we know this is equals to c by a, and the alpha beta we calculated as 1 by 2. So the value of c by a must be equal to 1 by 2. So clearly here the value of c is 1 and the value of a is 2. So this is equals to 1 by 2. So these two relationships of zeros and coefficients is hence verified.